Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel CP Study Song. Today my topic is about what are article type of article. What are articles? An article is a word that is used to indicate that a noun is a noun without describing it. For example, in the sentence, Nick bought a dog. The article a indicates that the word dog is a noun, and articles can also modify anything that acts as a noun, such as pronoun or a noun phrase. There are three articles a, in, the, which are divided into two types. Types of articles: definite, indefinite. Definite, the. A definite article is used to refer to unique things or groups. She gazed at the moon. Definite article is used to refer to specific things that the both speaker and the listeners know. The identity of Harlot went to the store. Indefinite, an. Indefinite articles are used to refer to things that aren't unique. Reko is a doctor. Indefinite articles are used to refer to non-specific things. Please hand me an envelope. When to use or an. Vowel sound. A, E, I, O, U. An apple. An enemy. She has been there for an hour. Already, since the H in hour is silent, you use an. Constant sounds. A dog, a boy, a girl, cat. Thanks for watching my video. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.